Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn the time warp. This is a classic dance from Rocky Horror. There are a lot of different versions. I picked this choreography from a video I saw of the Rocky Horror Show Australia, and I will link that video below. We're just going to learn the chorus section in today's video, but we're going to break it down nice and slow and step by step. We're going to have a lot of fun. When you're ready to try this with music, it's going to be in a separate video. So there's no music in this video, it's the tutorial only. But when you're ready to practice it with music, it's in a separate video that's linked in the video description or up here in this card. All right, let's do the time warp. Most of this dance is gonna go with the lyrics. We're just gonna do what the song tells us to do, which means I might sing a little bit, and here's my apology in advance for that. So we're gonna start on Let's Do the Time Warp Again, that part of the song. You're gonna take your right arm up as you step on your right, then left arm, then you're gonna take right arm to your hip, then left arm to your hip. And you're just taking little steps that don't go anywhere. Right, left, nice and sharp. Let's do the time warp. From there on, again, you're gonna bend your knees, hands stay on our hips, and we're gonna rock our shoulders back and forth, right, left, or you can roll the shoulders if that feels better. And as you're rocking your shoulders or rolling them, you're hinging at your hips to come down, looking down, and then come up for 4 counts. So we're gonna go down for 4 counts, then up for 4 counts. Try it. 5, 6, rock your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. So that first part, let's do the time warp. You're going, let's do the time warp again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll count you in. Ready? 5, 6, right arm goes up. Go up, up, hip. Now your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, up, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're gonna repeat. We're gonna do it again. You're gonna take it up, up, down, down. Same thing. You're gonna rock your shoulders down for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And instead of rocking yourself back up, you're gonna jump together. Nice and sharp, hands come down by your side. So we just go down for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so it's the same thing here. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, fun. Let's try it from the top. Let's do the time warp. 5, 6, right arm goes up. Go up, up, hip. Now your shoulders down. 2, 3, and up. 6, 7, arm up, up, hip, shoulders down, 2, 3, jump up. Great job. We're gonna go on. This part really starts to go with the lyrics, but every move is gonna go in these sets of very fast 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm gonna count it so you don't have to listen to me sing so much. So we just finished here. We jump together. 5, 6, 7, 8. They say it's just a jump to the left. So you're gonna take a little, both feet jump to the left. Your arms, I've seen this done several different ways, so choose whatever feels best to you. I'm gonna bring mine up as I hop, and then I'm gonna wiggle down my hands and my body, bending and sitting into my knees. You can take your fingers here, you can have them in blades, you can kind of wave your hands down, whatever feels best to you. So we're gonna jump to the left. It's just to jump to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the step to the right, you're gonna take your right foot out, touch together, and then step out on it. Hands are gonna do the same thing. They're gonna go out when your foot goes out, and then back in, out, in, and then standing up really tall here and straight. Right foot and arms go out. And if you're counting that, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll hold 6, 7, 8. So we're putting those two together. It's just a jump to the left. So you're gonna jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right foot goes out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 6, hold 7, hold 8. Just a jump to the left and then a step to the right. Nice and strong there. It goes with the lyrics, I promise. So from the top, we're gonna do the time warp, and then we're gonna roll or rock our shoulders forward. Nice and slow. Here we go. I'm gonna count you in. 5, 6, step out on your right. Go. 1, 2, 3, shoulders down for 1, 2, 3, up. 5, 6, right arm up. 1, 2, 3, shoulders down, then you're gonna jump together. It's just a jump to the left, dun, 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 and then a step to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. Just like that. Great job. Fantastic job. Remember, we're just up and moving and dancing for fun. So you can't mess it up. Just move and you're doing it right. So we jump to the left and then we step to the right. Now we're gonna put our hands on our hips. So we're gonna sit into our legs. Hands are gonna go from here. They're gonna drop down and go back. They're gonna do a big circle around and then end up back on your hips. You're gonna have 5 counts to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, so you start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one last little layer if you want to. You can go 1, 2, 3. As your hands start to cross, you can look over on 4 to the left and then pop back to the front on 5. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah? Put your hands on your hips. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 6, 7, 8. From here, after we put our hands on our hips, we're gonna pull our knees in tight. So we did this on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna hold 6, 7, 8 if we're counting in these little 8 counts. Then on 1, 2, 3, 4 on the tight, that part, you're gonna do 4 head nods. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then to pull your knees in, you're gonna bring your feet in closer too. So you're kind of hopping your feet in. You're knocking your knees in together and kind of popping everything, we're just collapsing everything in to pull our knees in tight. That's gonna be on the count of 5. So you're gonna do 4 nods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 6, 7, 8. And it's a pelvic, that next part will come there. So we did a jump to the left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step to the right, out, out. This is 5, hold 6, 7, hands on your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8, 4 nods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull it all in. Yeah, try that. I'll count you in. We're gonna jump to the left. Everything's gonna get its own little 8 count. And when you practice it with the music, I promise you'll hear it. Here we go. 5, 6, jump to the left. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step to your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands on your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nod your head for 4. 1, 2, 3, knees in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. We're gonna go back to the top so we don't forget it. We're gonna use our body to start to build that muscle memory so we don't have to think so hard. So back to the top, we're gonna do the time warp again. Here we go. 5, 6, right arm goes up. Go up, up, down. Shoulders go down, 2, 3, up, 5, 6, right arm up. 1, 2, 3, shoulders down. 1, 2, 3, jump. 5. It's just a jump to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna step right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands on your hips. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now nod your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. We're almost done here. Now we've got our pelvic thrusts and then we'll be done. You're gonna have a couple options here. You're doing an awesome job. So we just jumped in on 5. Again, you're gonna hold 6, 7, 8. And then when we thrust our pelvis, option 1, you're gonna do 8 of them nice and fast. So you're gonna go forward and back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. And you can use your arms to exaggerate this a little more, or you can just really think about tilting your pelvis forward and back. You're gonna have 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If that feels too fast or you just don't like it, you're gonna do 4 of them with 2 counts each. So you'll go forward and back and forward and back. And that way you can kind of lean your body a little more if that feels better. I'm gonna do the faster one, but know that you can do that slower option there if you want to. After that 8 count of pelvic thrust, we're having a lot of fun there. You're gonna jump your feet back apart, and then you're gonna take your hips, and we're just circling them back to the right corner. You're leaning over, pushing your hips back, and then around. And as you do that, this is drive you insane. You can bounce into your legs as you push your hips back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 counts of those. Yeah, ooh, fun. So we have 8 pelvic, what's this? You have just random fingers, throwing random numbers up. You're gonna have 8 pelvic thrusts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feet go out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Then from there, you're just gonna repeat the time warp again. So you're gonna go up, up, down, down, shoulders, pull it up. Last time, up, up, down, down, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're done. Yeah, very, very nice. So the whole thing, we start with the time warp. That's what this is. Then you're gonna jump to the left. Then you're gonna step to the right. Then you're gonna put your hands on your hips. Don't worry, we'll do it again. Then you're gonna pull your knees in tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a pelvic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Drives you insane. 6. Then you repeat the time warp. Shoulders go down and up. Right arm, let's do the time warp again. Then we'll jump together. A little singing. Great job, y'all. You're doing an amazing job. We're gonna walk through it a couple more times here, really slow, and then we'll go a little faster. Dancing with the lyrics and what they're saying is so fun and easy. Teaching to the lyrics is a little trickier. I'm finding out as I'm teaching this. But we're having fun. That's all we're doing here. So again, from the top, we're gonna take that right arm, right leg. We're gonna walk through it nice and slow right here. Are you ready? You're ready. Here we go. 5, 6, right arm goes up. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, shoulders. 1, 2, 3, up. 5, 6, right arm up. 1, 2, now hips. 3, 4, shoulders. Now we jump together. 5. It's just a jump to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right foot out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 6. Hands on your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And pull your knees and head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's a pelvic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Drives you insane. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Time warp. Right, left, right, left. Shoulders down and up. 3, 4, 5, 6. Right arm last time. 2, 3. Shoulders down. 1, 2. Jump together. 5. Yeah! Fantastic. All right, we're gonna do it one last time here together. I'm so giggly today. We are going to go a little bit faster than we just did. So for our last time, a little tiny bit faster. I'm gonna try not to sing. Hang on for the ride. Here we go, let's have some fun. Let's do the time warp again. Ready? 5, 6, right arm goes up. Go. 1, 2, 3, shoulders down. 1, 2, 3, 4, shoulders up. Right arm goes. 1, 2, 3, shoulders down. Now we jump together. 5. It's just a jump to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we step right. Go right, right, up. 6. Hands on your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we knot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pelvic thrusts. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we go insane. Hips. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Time warp. Right, left, right. Shoulders down and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right arm. 1, 2, 3. Shoulders down. 1, 2, 3. Jump. 5. Fantastic. Well, that was fun. It got my heart rate up. I broke a sweat. Maybe you did too, and maybe you didn't, and that's okay. I appreciate you so much for joining me. I hope that you had fun. That's what's most important. Remember, when you're ready to try this with music, it's in a separate video that's linked in the video description. So go check that out when you're ready to practice this with music. I will cue it, and I'll also do it without cueing. If you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you again for joining me. I appreciate it so much. I hope that you got some joy out of today. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. I hope you'll be kind to yourself and kind to others. And I hope you'll come back and dance with me again. Bye, y'all.